Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, October 4th, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we start off the week on a bit of a wet note with a stationary front slowly dropping south and another trough/cold front approaching from the west, leading to the threat for scattered showers throughout the region. And some of these showers will be capable of some brief heavy downpours. Meanwhile, we also have low clouds and some fog and a little bit of drizzle, and a wide range of temperatures. Now, to the north of this stationary boundary, I think you could pretty much see it right around the New York City metro back towards the Poconos. Temperatures range from the lower to mid-60s, even a few upper 50s up towards northern Connecticut. And then as you head to the south of that boundary, you basically start to rise into the mid to upper 60s in the suburbs and lower 70s down towards southern New Jersey. And that's pretty much going to be the theme today, with scattered showers and a wide range of temperatures, as we have a nice convergence of air masses between the maritime air mass coming in from the Atlantic, a tropical air mass coming up the coast, and a polar modified air mass coming in from the west. So when you have this clash set up, well, it leads to a bit of an unsettled weather pattern. And that is essentially what we're seeing here with our stationary front and then our trough and then all these showers all over the place. Again, heavier downpours were found over Connecticut and Long Island earlier this morning. That's all now starting to push to the east. We have another wave of showers and a few embedded thunderstorms off to our west. It's also approaching. These will be capable of brief heavy downpours as well. Not looking for any severe weather, but just, well, you're going to want to keep your umbrella handy, because it's going to be one of those days where it looks like it's cloudy all day and then you're just unlucky enough to walk out just when you get a heavy downpour. That's essentially the theme for today, and really up for much of this week, as we set up what's called a block in the weather pattern. This upper level low is going to be spinning about, and this is actually going to entrain Hurricane Sam and become even stronger. That's going to block up this whole pattern and send this upper level low to basically retrograde back towards the Tennessee River Valley and stall out the cold front right around our coastal waters. So as a result, what you end up with is that you get this front hanging around and all these clouds hanging around and the threat for pesky showers. Again, not a complete washout, but that these showers will be capable of a brief heavy downpour. Meanwhile, we're watching this tropical wave down here. It could produce a little bit of mischief by the time we get to this weekend as an extratropical, i.e. cold core low pressure system, not a tropical low pressure system, at least that's the thinking right now, as it interacts with this trough. So a lot going on throughout the region, even though it doesn't really seem like it. Now, for today, that stationary front will slowly drip south as this high pressure system strengthens and this cold front approaches from the west. So through this afternoon, we'll have the threat for scattered showers. Better chance the further north you are. So New York City metro on north, better chance for more widespread showers. Philadelphia on south, more isolated. Look for high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s over the interior and the New York City metro. And then as you head towards the Philadelphia metro, mid 70s to lower 80s, especially down towards the southern suburbs of Philadelphia. For this evening, that cold front moves through with additional showers, maybe an embedded thunderstorm. Look for lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s. And then tomorrow afternoon, that frontal boundary basically hangs around. We have high pressure to the north, that stationary boundary to the south, and we are caught in between with a northeasterly wind. Onshore flow means, well, basically cloudy and unsettled with the threat for showers. Look for high temperatures ranging throughout the region in the mid to upper 60s. And then for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we continue to remain in this pattern. And we actually can continue that all the way into Saturday, okay? Where you have your high pressure to the north over Maine, and you have the stationary front to the south, and we are caught in this onshore flow, northeast to easterly wind, and that's going to lead to scattered to broken cloud cover with a threat for showers each day. Now, it's not going to be a washout, but again, you want to keep your umbrella handy because some of these showers will be capable of a brief heavy downpour. Along with that easterly wind, we'll have temperatures basically remaining pretty raw, with low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures essentially split depending on where this high pressure system is. If you have a lot of low clouds and showers, you're going to basically be stuck in the mid to upper 60s. However, if you get this high pressure system to build just far enough south to allow for more clearing, you will pop right up into the lower to mid 70s. So That's going to be the theme throughout this entire week, where there's a chance that Connecticut may actually end up being warmer than portions of the New Jersey coast. On Sunday, we'll have a wave of low pressure. There's that pesky low pressure system we're going to be watching around the Bahamas that's going to be approaching the region with a threat for showers throughout the region, possibly some heavier downpours. Look for lows in the mid-50s over the interior, lower to mid-60s along the coast, highs in the mid to upper 60s for everyone. And then that frontal boundary basically lingers over the coastal waters on Monday with, again, more pesky showers, low clouds, scattered broken cloud cover, with temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to mid-60s for lows and lower to mid-70s for highs. That's your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.